Oh, you want the ball, don't you? What is up, everybody? So today's episode is really cool. Involves aviation, which is one of my favorite things. And it was an opportunity that got put in our hands many years ago. That was once in a lifetime. Aluminum Overcast, some of you might know what it is. It's an airplane, very cool airplane, particularly a B17. Was at KBJC, which is Rocky Mountain Airport, kind of between Denver and Boulder. They had done their tour, which was West Coast, Denver, and their next stop was Liberal, Kansas. Now, I knew one of the guys that worked for that actual establishment, super great guy, and we got the opportunity to fly with them from KBJC to Liberal, Kansas. This isn't like a 15-minute do a circle around the neighborhood sort of ride that people pay thousands for. We got to fly this B-17 nearly 2.5 hours, and the emotions that were experienced, the nostalgia, everything surrounding it. I was deaf. I vividly remember being deaf when I was landing. My ears were just ringing. I didn't wear ear protection. 4 huge Pratt & Whitney radial engines roaring for 2.5 hours is going to do a number on your ears. But we essentially had this plane to ourselves. There was a crew of 3 other guys, your co-pilot, your main pilot, and assistant, Bobby, myself, and my father. And so you think about this B-17 that normally had a crew of 10 guys, and it was just less than 5. So we had this whole plane to walk around. We could go in the back, go to every gunner position. The only place that we didn't get to go to was the ball turret gunner, just for safety reasons. Still way cool. My favorite spot in this plane was the nose area. And it was just this bubble, and you could see everything, the landscape and flying. And I don't know, it kind of took you back to when World War II, what that had to been like. Obviously, our ride was nothing compared to what those men went through back in the day. I can't imagine being shot at, flak, and everything in between, and having to get your bomb load, and then making it back home. That had been a surreal experience. But flying in a B-17 for 2.5 hours is also a pretty surreal experience that is rarely experienced. So, with that being said, here's the video, a couple of clips, some flying footage, and like I said, the footage the quality is less than par, so bear with me on that, but at least you'll get a rough idea of the different spots of flying. Even got a shot of my father at the controls, and I even got to fly the plane at the time, which that was a really, really cool experience. I'll never forget how much vibration was in the yoke. It was just, it felt alive. I guess that's the best way to put it. The plane felt truly alive. It just, the noise, the vibrations, and just knowing how raw this type of aircraft was, and for it to still be flying. So, enough of me talking. Here's the video, and thanks for watching. I'm going to try to do an episode, at least 2 episodes a week, maybe even 3, depending on how much footage I can get compressed and edited. But do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, and I love hearing your stories with aviation and cars and everything in between. Thanks.
Oh, you could.
Yeah.
So you wait now.
Yeah. Well, no. This is normal. This is normal. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is normal. So
Just let it go when you come through.
Yeah,
You
right.
wait, then you wait.
Right. Yeah. You just gotta feel it and then feel it, and then you see that.
Okay.
Ooh. All right. Go ahead. Keep going through. Yeah. You got that.
Okay.
Yeah. You can feel it. It'll do a sudden stop.
It'll be like it hit a brick wall.
Yeah.
Okay.
What was that number?
Through 3.
3. There you go.
Yep.
Sounding off like you got a pair. There you go. 5.
6. 8.
You're going.